Before you buy a small SUV instead of a bike, you need to watch this. Because for most Indians, a car is not freedom. It's a monthly EMI trap. Let's compare a bike and a small SUV. Not on looks or power, but on real money you lose every year. Let's start with a 200 to 250cc bike. On-road price, around 2 lakhs. Fuel cost, if you ride 1000 kilometers a month, you'll spend roughly 2500 to 3000 rupees. Service and maintenance, around 4000 to 6000 rupees a year. Insurance, barely 3000 to 4000 rupees. Total yearly cost, around 45,000 to 55,000 rupees. Now let's talk about a small SUV like Creta, Nexon or Brezza. On-road price, minimum 13 to 15 lakhs. Fuel, same 1000 kilometers a month will cost you 7000 to 9000 rupees. Service and maintenance, easily 12,000 to 18,000 per year. Insurance, 15,000 to 25,000 rupees. Total yearly cost, around 1.6 to 2 lakh rupees. And here's what nobody tells you. Parking headaches, traffic stress, tolls, scratches, depreciation. Your SUV loses 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees value every year, even if you don't drive it. A bike, minimal depreciation, cheaper repairs, faster in city traffic. Now listen carefully. If you have a family, long highway trips, kids, parents, a car makes sense. But if 80% of your travel is city commute, office, solo riding, wait. Buying a small SUV instead of a bike is financial stupidity. You're paying 3 to 4 times more money for sitting in traffic anyway. Truth is simple. For most young Indians, a good bike plus occasional cab beats owning a small SUV. So tell me, would you choose freedom on 2 wheels or comfort with EMIs? Comment bike or SUV. I'll reply to every serious comment.